Good morning, children. How are you? Yes, we are going to study organization of tissue. Already one part studied organization of tissue. What is tissue? That plant tissue we studied. Meristematic tissue. That apical meristem, intercalary meristem, lateral meristem. These are studied. Simple tissue. Permanent tissue, that also studied. Differentiation of meristematic tissue, permanent tissue, differentiation of xylem, phloem, that all studied. Yes, now we have to study animal tissue. Yes, everybody, we are also have tissue. Yes, animals also have tissue. That tissue we will study. Now animal tissue we will study. That before plant tissue studied. Okay, animal tissue, an assemblage of one or more types of specialized cell held together with extracellular material constitute the tissue. Study of tissue is known as histology. Study of tissue is known as histology. Study of tissue. That also simple tissue, compound tissue. Simple tissue, compound tissue. That in plant, simple tissue, complex tissue studied. Here, simple tissue, compound tissue. What is simple tissue? Group of cells that are similar in origin, form, structure and work together to perform specific function. What is simple tissue? A group of cells that are similar in origin, form, structure and work together to perform specific function. That is a simple tissue. Simple tissue. Okay. That next, compound tissue. A group of cells different in their structure and function but coordinate to perform a specific function. Coordinate. Simple tissue, similar origin, similar structure, work together. That is a specific function. Next, compound tissue, that is the structure different, function different, that also cooperate together. Coordinate to perform specific function. That is a compound tissue. Simple tissue, compound tissue. Animals' tissues can be grouped into 4 basic types on the basis of their structure and function. 4 types. Basis of structure and their function. First one is epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, nervous tissue. Epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue and nervous tissue. Okay, 4 types of tissue. Animal tissues, 4 types. Today we will study about only epithelial tissue. Only epithelial tissue. Okay. What is epithelial tissue? It is simplest tissue composed of one or more layer of the cell. One or more layer of the cell. Epithelium tissue composed one or more layer of the cell, covering the external surface of the body and internal organ. External surface of the body and internal organ. That is a epithelial tissue. That cells are arranged very closely to each other with less extracellular material. Epithelial cells are on a non-cellular basement membrane. The epithelial tissues generally lacks blood vessels. The epithelium is separated by the underlying connective tissue with provides it with nutrient. There are two types of epithelial tissue: simple epithelium, compound epithelium. Simple epithelium, compound epithelium. Simple epithelium, compound epithelium. Two types of cell tissue. Animal tissue also we studied first. Simple tissue, compound tissue. Yes, simple tissue, compound tissue. That like epithelium tissue also, simple epithelium, compound epithelium. Simple epithelium is composed of single layer of this resting on the basement of membrane. Compound epithelium is composed several layer of cells. Simple epithelium is single layer. Compound epithelium is several layer. Okay. Epithelium cells. What is epithelium cells? You know? One or more layer of cells covering the external surface of the body and internal organs. That is the epithelium tissue. Epithelium tissue dividing to one is simple epithelium, another one is compound epithelium. Simple epithelium is only one layer of epithelium cells. Compound epithelium means several layer of cells. That is compound epithelium. Now we will see the function of epithelium tissue. It is protection, very important one. Protection, because that is outer layer and inner layer. Sometime inner layer. Maximum outer layer. So it is protect. Skin protect from sunlight, bacteria, physical damage. After absorption. Absorption of water and nutrient. They help in absorption of water and nutrient. Lying of small intestine absorbing nutrient into blood. Lying small intestine absorbing nutrient into the blood. They are involved in elimination waste product, filtration. Lining of kidney tubules filtering wastes from the blood to plasma. That is filtration. Some epithelial tissues perform secretory function, secretion. Different glands produce perspiration, oil, digestive enzymes and mucus. Some epithelium tissues perform secretory function, secretion of sweat, saliva, mucus, enzymes. Okay, 4 functions. Protection is an important one. Absorption also, next important one. Filtration, lining of kidney tubules, filtering waste from the blood plasma. Secretion, different glands produce perspiration, oil, digestive enzymes and mucus. These are the functions of epithelial tissue. These are the functions of epithelial tissue. Okay children, everybody understood what are the functions of epithelial tissue? One is protection, another one is absorption, third one is filtration, fourth one is secretion. Okay. Simple epithelium. Simple epithelium and compound epithelium, 2 types are there. Now we will see simple epithelium. Simple epithelium. Yes, everybody see the picture. Everybody see the picture, simple epithelium. Simple, that means only one layer of cell. Yes, that is a simple epithelium. Only one layer of the cell. Simple squamous cell, basement membrane, connective tissue. Simple squamous epithelium, basement membrane, nucleus, connective tissue. Okay, this it is formed single layer of cells. It forms lining for the body, cavities and ducts. Simple epithelium is further divided into following types. Simple epithelium dividing squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, columnar epithelium, ciliated epithelium, glandular epithelium. That like 5 division. Simple epithelium, 5 dividing 5 types. Squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, columnar epithelium, ciliated epithelium, glandular epithelium. Okay. Squamous epithelium. It is made up of thin flat cells with prominent nuclei. Irregular boundaries bind with the neighboring cells. Squamous epithelium is also known as pavement membrane, which form delicate lining of buccal cavity, alveoli of lungs, proximal tubule of kidney, and covering tissues and tongue. It protects the body from the mechanical injury, drying, and invasion of germs. Okay, this is a squamous epithelium. Next one, we have to see simple cuboidal epithelium. Cuboidal epithelium. Everybody see the picture. Cuboidal epithelium. Simple cuboidal epithelium cells. Basement membrane. Connective tissue. Simple cuboidal epithelial cells. Basement membrane. Connective tissues. Okay. Yes. It is composed of single layer of cubical cells. Single layer of cubical cells. The nucleus is round and lies in the center. See the picture? That nucleus is lies in the center of the cells. Nucleus is round and lies in the center. This tissue is present in the thyroid vesicles, salivary glands, sweat glands, and exocrine pancreas. Where are they? Thyroid vesicles, salivary glands, sweat glands, and exocrine pancreas. It is also found in the intestine and the tubular part of the nephron, kidney tubules, as microvilli that increase the absorptive surface area. Their main function is secretion and absorption. Cuboidal epithelium main function is secretion and absorption. Secreting thyroid, secreting salivary gland, secreting sweat and pancreas. Okay, these are found in intestine and tubular part of the nephron, kidney. Okay, this main work is secretion and absorption. These are the simple cuboidal epithelium cells. Yes, simple cuboidal epithelium cells. Single layer, one nucleus is in the center. This present in the thyroid vesicle, salivary gland, sweat gland, exocrine pancreas. Okay. Yes. Picture also everybody saw. Yes. Next one, columnar epithelium. Columnar epithelium with specialization. Simple columnar epithelium. Columnar epithelium. Columnar epithelium it is composed of a single layer of slender, elongated and pillar-like cell. Everybody see the picture? Pillar-like cell. Single layer of slender, elongated and pillar-like cells. Their nuclei are located at the base. Here everybody see the picture? Nuclei at the base, not in the center. It is found lining in the stomach, gallbladder, bile duct, small intestine, colon, oviduct, and also form the mucous membrane. They are mainly involved in secretion and absorption. Cuboidal epithelium also main function is secretion and absorption. That columnar epithelium also Main function is secretion and absorption. Okay, it is elongated cell. Nucleus is in the base of the cell, is found in stomach, gallbladder, bile duct, small intestine, colon, oviduct, and also mucous membrane. Okay, these are columnar epithelium. Columnar epithelium. Okay, children, columnar epithelium, do you understand? Yes, columnar epithelium, here two pictures given. Ciliated columnar epithelium, simple columnar epithelium with microvilli. Yes, two picture given. In the book also one picture given. Yes, columnar epithelium, one picture given. It is composed of single layer, slender, elongated, pillar-like structure. The nucleus is located in the base of the cell. It is found in the stomach, gallbladder, bile duct, small intestine, colon, oviduct. The main function is secretion and absorption. Main function is secretion and absorption. Ciliated epithelium. Ciliated epithelium. Certain columnar cells bear numerous delicate hair-like outgrowth called cilia. See the picture, cilia. Everybody see the picture, cilia is present. So it is ciliated epithelium. Okay. Cilia is present in the epithelium, that is ciliated epithelium. Certain columnar cells bear numerous delicate hair-like outgrowth called cilia and are called ciliated epithelium. Their function is to move particle or mucus in the specific direction over the epithelium. Move particles or mucus in a specific direction over the epithelium. It is seen in the trachea of windpipe, bronchioles of respiratory tract, kidney tubules, and fallopian tubules of oviduct. Where it is seen in the trachea of windpipe, bronchioles of respiratory tract, kidney tubules, and fallopian tubules of oviduct. Okay? Yes, these four places ciliated epithelium cells are present. Okay? See the picture, cilia, basal granule, cell membrane, goblet cell, nucleus, basement membrane. Yes? Ciliated epithelium, certain molecular cells bear numerous delicate hair-like outgrowth like cilia, that is called cilia. That cilia is present in the epithelium, that is a ciliated epithelium. The function is to move particles or mucus in a specific direction over the epithelium. Move particles or mucus in specific direction over the epithelium. Okay children, have you understood? Ciliated epithelium. Yes, the nucleus are also present here and there are in the center. Yes, it is seen in the trachea of windpipe, bronchioles of respiratory tract, kidney tubules, and the fallopian glandular epithelium. Glands. You know gland? Glands. Epithelium cells are often modified to form specialized gland cells which secrete chemical substances at the epithelium surface. This lines the gastric glands, pancreatic tubules, and intestinal glands. It is a intestine, stomach lining. See the picture. Stomach lining, glandular epithelium, surface epithelium, simple columnar epithelium cells. Lamina propria muscularis, basement membrane, basement, basal cell, connective tissue, cilia, ciliated columnar cell, goblet cell. Yes, glandular epithelium are often modified to form specialized gland cells. Epithelial cells are modified to form specialized gland cells. So that is called glandular epithelium. Gland cells often modified to form specialized gland cells. So it is called glandular epithelium. That one secrete the chemical substances at the epithelial surface. எங்க secrete ஆகுது? Epithelial surface secrete ஆகுது. These lines, gastric glands, pancreatic tubules and intestinal glands. These are present in the gastric glands, pancreatic tubules, intestinal glands. Okay. Yes, these are glandular epithelium. Epithelial cells are often modified into form specialized gland cell. So it is called glandular epithelium, specialized gland cell. So it is called glandular epithelium, which secrete chemical substances at a epithelial surface. Chemical substances secrete chemical substances at the epithelial surface. So it is glandular epithelium. It is present in the gastric gland, pancreatic tubules and intestinal glands. Okay. Compound epithelium. Compound epithelium. Compound epithelium. See the picture everybody. Compound epithelium. It is consist of more than one layer. See, one layer not it is. It is compound. More than one layer. And gives striated appearance. Multi-layer cells. They are also known as stratified epithelium. Stratified epithelium. Stratified epithelium it is. Compound epithelium, otherwise stratified epithelium. The main function of this epithelium is to give protection to the underlying tissues against mechanical and chemical stress. Mechanical and chemical stress. They also cover the dry surface of the skin. Cover the dry surface of the skin. The moist surface of the buccal cavity and pharynx. They also cover the dry surface of the skin, the moist surface of the buccal cavity and pharynx. Epithelial tissue in the skin function as waterproof membrane. Waterproof membrane. You know, waterproof. The skin, you know, அதுக்குள்ள தண்ணி ஊத்துனா உள்ள போகுதா? Waterproof is that. Yes. Waterproof membrane. Epithelial tissue in the skin function as a waterproof membrane. Waterproof membrane. So, it is a waterproof membrane. Epithelial tissues the skin function is waterproof membrane. This compound epithelium cover the dry surface of the skin. Cover the dry surface of the skin, the moist surface of the buccal cavity. Buccal cavity la moist surface ஆகுது. And pharynx also moist surface. Okay. Yes. Compound epithelium, the multi-layer of the cells are there. Multi-layer of the cells. See the picture. First one layer, next one layer is there, and the light pink color one layer is there. That like different epithelial cells are there. It is not only one layer. 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. More layers are there. So it is a compound epithelium. Okay, compound epithelium consists of more than one layer of the cell. Multi-layer, more than one layer, and gives stratified appearance. Stratified appearance, not one layer more here there like the collapsed. So it is a stratified appearance. Hence they are also known as stratified epithelium. Stratified epithelium. The main function of this epithelium is to give protection to underline the tissue against mechanical and chemical stress. What are the function? To give protection to the underlying tissues against mechanical and chemical stress. Mechanical and chemical stress. It is a very important function. Yes. Main function of this epithelium is to give protection and to the underlying tissue against mechanical and chemical stress. They also cover the dry surface of the skin, the moist surface of buccal cavity and pharynx. Moist surface of buccal cavity and pharynx. Okay. Yes. Everybody study this lesson. Draw and see these pictures. Draw and see these pictures. These are animal epithelial cells only I taught. Yes. Epithelial cells, epithelial tissue, simple epithelium and compound epithelium. Simple epithelium dividing squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, columnar epithelium and ciliated epithelium and glandular epithelium. That like 5 epitheliums are the simple epithelium. That all have only one layer. Compound epithelium that have more layers are there. More layers are there that make stratified appearance. Stratified appearance. Compound epithelium, other name is stratified epithelium. What is the other name of compound epithelium? Stratified epithelium. Epithelial tissues in the skin function as a waterproof membrane. Waterproof membrane. Yes, our skin epithelial tissues are waterproof membrane. Waterproof membrane. Okay. Waterproof membrane. Okay, children. Everybody study this lesson. Your homework. Write 10 fill in the blanks in this part. Epithelium, epithelial tissue, animal tissue. Yes, only 10 fill in the blanks you write it. Draw in your classwork note. Ciliated epithelium, glandular epithelium. Ciliated epithelium, glandular epithelium. Draw in your classwork note. Okay, children? Yes, write 10 fill in the blanks in your homework. Send your homework properly daily. Send that same day 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock, in between that time. Okay. Send everybody homework properly and write classwork, draw classwork neatly and write the parts also. Heading also. Write neatly. Okay, children. Everybody write neatly, send the homework properly. Okay. Everybody study these all lessons. Okay. Your test also will come soon. Okay. So study properly. Every lesson 2 lesson. Biology 2 lesson. Physics 2 lesson. Chemistry 2 lesson. Your test. Okay. So everybody study. Every day study your lessons. Okay, children. Otherwise you can't study. So When exam coming soon. Okay. So study properly. Everybody study properly. Okay.